Hi, this is Sanjay Gangal from GISCafe. I'm here with Sebastian Schreiber, CTO at SOMAG AG Jena. Hello, Sebastian.
Hey, how's it going, Sanjay? Really happy to be here for the interview.
Well, thank you very much for coming over here. How has the show been going for you?
I mean, so far quite well. There's a lot of our partners and a lot of our customers here, and we're joining the Intergeo since 2007 now, and we're attending the show every year. So for us, it's the most important event in the year, and so far we always enjoy the show. Yeah.
That's great. So tell us about SOMAG AG company itself. Where are you based at? How many people do you have? And how many years have you been around?
So SOMAG was established in 2002 as a small-sized enterprise, and so far, our main purpose of the company is to design, manufacture, and build gyro stabilization mounts. So our mount systems are used usually in aircrafts, and they stabilize the arbitrary movements of the aircraft. So the devices are in general needed to compensate the movements of the aircraft and to keep the sensor vertical. And we are still a small company, but we could actually move this year to our own building, which was an important step for us to still improve our quality and to improve our internal logistics. And I think we are a very fast and reliable company. We're selling our mounts since 2004, and so far what we got as feedback from our customers is that we have a really good service team. So in case they have any issues or so, we are very fast to reply to our customers.
How many people do you have?
So we have about 20 people, so still very overseeable.
and do you sell mainly in Europe or worldwide?
Our systems are sold worldwide, and we have a really good network of distributors. We have, I think, in nearly at least every continent and every big country have our resellers, and a lot of our systems are also sold through bigger companies as part of their complete systems. Like Microsoft Vexel is using our GSM 4000 as their standard product for their camera systems, for instance.
Okay. So tell us more about your products.
Yeah, so the gyro stabilization mounts, they, as I said, are used to compensate the movements of the aircraft, and this is necessary to keep the sensor stable, so means so perfectly vertical. And it doesn't actually, it's not important which sensor you use. Our mount supports camera systems, LiDAR systems, scanners, hyperspectral systems, radar systems, so we don't relate to any specific systems. And the main benefit is that the data you capture will be just better. It will have a higher quality in general, because all the movements of the aircrafts and also the vibrations from the aircrafts will be isolated with our stabilization mount, which makes the data quality better. And also the whole flight will be more economical, because especially for photogrammetric imagery, you can fly with less overlap, so you can get more data in the same time. So it's just a matter of time until the investment on the mount is done.
And what makes your mounts better than the competition?
I think the biggest benefit for our company is that we are just focusing on gyro stabilization mounts. There are other companies as well who manufacture and design gyro stabilization mounts, but they do it as a kind of a byproduct. And we just focus on this specific development. So all our team is just working on mount development, support, and manufacturing, so to say. And I guess that makes the devices quite unique and good, because we just try to nail it down as good as possible with our products.
Okay. What market trends are you seeing right now?
I mean, in general, for us, it looks like there are kind of two trends. One trend is there are a lot of people who try to start with some kind of airborne business, and they want to look for a system which is very affordable. That's why we have our CSM 130, really small and compact and affordable gyro stabilization mount, and they try to hook it up with a medium format camera and an affordable flight management system, so some kind of entry level thing. And the other trend is that the large companies like Vexel or Teledyne Optik and so on, they build sensors which have more and more power, and they have more and more mapping possibilities, and they integrate several technologies into one sensor. So that's why we support also very big sensor systems. That's why our new GSM 4000 can actually carry a payload of 120 kilograms. So because we see that they try to integrate more and more sensors, so the systems get quite heavy, but they're also quite powerful. Yeah.
And how can people find out more about SOMAG AG on the internet?
Yeah, they can, for instance, visit our websites. We have a web performance, so it's somag-ag.de, and there are all our mounts represented from the GSM 4000 up to the SSM series and the CSM 130, and also they can contact us directly. There's a contact site where they can write us their questions. And
check out somag-ag.de website for a lot more information about SOMAG's products. Thank you very much, Sebastian, for coming over to talk to us. Have a great show.
yeah, thank you.